Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to uninstall Taimi application. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open your settings application. Now scroll down and find apps. Once you find it, tap on it. Now using the search icon, type Taimi. Tap on Taimi. Now in order to uninstall the application, tap on Uninstall button on the bottom of your screen. Now if you are sure about uninstalling the application, tap on OK. And that is how you can easily uninstall Taimi application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. And if it was, hit the like button and comment below your questions and feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.